Welcome to this training on process model scenarios, or how to run experiments. When optimizing a process, guessing is a strategy best left for game shows, not your quarterly operations review. Today, we'll show you how to use scenarios to test improvements virtually so you can look like a genius before you ever spend a dime. It starts with a scenario parameter. Think of a parameter as a stunt double for your data. Instead of hard-coding a number, which is the simulation equivalent of pouring concrete, you use a parameter. It holds the place so you can swap values in and out instantly without breaking the model. Let's define one. Select the Attributes, Variables, and Scenarios button. Click the Scenario Parameters tab. Click New. Process Model adds a p_ prefix. We recommend keeping this. It prevents the software from confusing your parameter resources with its own internal code. Trust me, you don't want to push that argument. Now put the parameter to work. Enter its name in the model wherever you used to have a static number. This is the ultimate efficiency hack. By changing this one parameter, you can simultaneously update the capacity of every workstation in the building. It's like having a master remote control for your entire operation. Now click the Scenarios tab. This is the fun part, where you get to play what if without any consequences. Click New, name your experiment, say hire 5 more people, and enter the value. You can now simulate the impact of a hiring spree without actually having to interview anyone. Using the same logic as replications, you probably won't want to watch each experiment run, so turn off the animation. To run the scenarios, go to the Simulation menu and select Run Scenarios. Process Model will run each marked scenario and then show a comparison of your predefined key performance indicators. You immediately see the value or lack of value for proposed improvements. However, scenarios aren't magic. They can't physically move walls or invent a new department. If your experiment requires structural changes, like adding a new shift or removing a step, you need the multiverse approach. Save the model with a new name and make the necessary structural changes. Add the name of the previous model to your output report. Now you can compare your current reality against a totally new one. Assignment time. Open the model titled Experiments with Scenarios and follow the instructions provided there. Please pause the video now. I promise to stay frozen right here until you get back. But hey, if you get stuck, please don't sit there staring at the screen. Contact us at support@processmodel.com. For the fastest results, attach your model. And give us a clear description of the problem. Tell us what is happening versus what you want to happen. We usually respond within 10 minutes. If it's a real head-scratcher, we'll set up an online meeting to work through it together. We look forward to working with you.